Dr. Decks here. Today we are working on some finish work. We're doing some trim, buttoning up some things that need some fit and finish done to them. So if you like what you see or learn a little bit today, don't forget to click that subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content, hit the bell icon. And if you want to learn how to bend deck boards, don't forget to go check out Dr. Deck's Masterclass. All right, come on, let's check this out. All right, so the client requested an area where she could throw her axes. And so what they do is they take wood blanks, pucks, and they throw axes at them. So we're kind of making her a little bent piece of AZEK that they'll be able to put their pucks in. We're gonna put some nylon board up on this wall, some nylon sheeting that I have, and then we're gonna mount this to the nylon sheet, and then I'm gonna mount the nylon sheet to the side of the deck, and then when they want to throw axes, they can load up one of these and chuck their axes at my brand new deck. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, man. And then my height's pretty good, but see, it's gonna pull away.
Yeah.
As you go, so always run this way.
Okay.
And then just let it run out. I'm gonna go in and start working on that, or you can put a clamp between the post and everything. But that's not too bad.
I kind of feel like Harry Potter, you know, living under the staircase. Been down here too many times.
Always use nature to your advantage. Good tree. Huh?
We might need to do some like grading a little bit, maybe.
Some what?
I wonder if we need to do a little bit of grading. Do you think?
Can we go your way or your?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Right there.
Okay, hang tight.
Another day, another plug. I don't know how many plugs we have, but if you're bored and you want to watch all the videos, you can count them for me. Let me know. I'm guessing. Oh, dang, I'm guessing 2,000. There's a jumping spider.
What about spiders?
There's a couple little spiders on the grass here, and they're hopping up into my hands while I'm trying to put these plugs in.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw today, don't forget that subscribe button and the bell icon as well if you want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.